Welcome to our channel. It's time to learn the ABCs of the alphabet, so let's take a turn. A is for apple, B is for ball, C is for cat, who's not very tall, D is for dog, who loves to play, E is for elephant, who's big in every way, F is for frog, who jumps up and down, G is for giraffe, who's tall like a crown, H is for hat, that sits on your head, I is for igloo, where Eskimos are fed, J is for jelly, that wobbles and shakes, K is for kangaroo, who leaps across lakes, L is for lion, who's brave and strong, M is for monkey, who likes to swing along, N is for nest, where birds make their home, O is for octopus, who likes to roam, P is for pig, who likes to eat, Q is for queen, who's really neat, R is for rabbit, who hops all day, S is for sun, who gives us light in every way, T is for turtle, who's slow but steady, U is for umbrella, that keeps us dry and ready, V is for violin, that makes music so sweet, W is for whale, who swims in the deep blue sea, X is for xylophone, that chimes and sings, Y is for yellow, a color that brings, Z is for zebra, with stripes black and white. We hope you've enjoyed this ABC rhyme delight.